And away we go. Just like the last one, I'm going to try to get through the installer so we can sit at the install screen, because that part takes about 10 or 15 minutes. Hey everybody, see people are already in chat. How are we doing? How are we doing? What did I use? I had a better name for my host. Well, I guess it doesn't matter. Worst station. There you go. Worst station. What a beautiful typo. I'm really happy about that. I don't know if I should. Not that worried about it, I guess. I'll change it if I end up using this. There. All right. The ball is rolling. Oh boy, I have to scroll up to catch up. How is everybody doing? Pop out the chat like last time so it's easier for me to see. Ah, stupid window. Come on, let it go. This laptop is like it needs to be replaced. The touchpad gets stuck and stuff. It's really bad. All right. And my audio is good. Everything looks good. Cool. Local hosed. I could call it local hosed. That's a good one. You have good taste, sir. You stayed up until 2 a.m. to watch a stream. Thank you. That is, I'm extraordinarily flattered. You know, when I record the videos, I mentioned this, and I may have talked about it elsewhere, but when I record the voiceovers, I've started warming my voice up. So before, for a long time on the channel, I would just open up Audacity with a topic in mind and just start talking. And if you listen to older videos, I really notice that. Like I can hear myself in kind of that train of thought. But now I better mentally prepare myself and prepare my voice so that I don't know, it's just warmer when I'm ready to start doing voiceovers. And I do that by singing a lot of times, or by just like coming up with a topic to go on a diatribe about. But this morning, as a matter of fact, as I'm talking to you right now, I have not warmed up my voice. I probably should have, because we're going to be streaming for like an hour. That was, in retrospect, that was pretty stupid. I should have warmed up. Whoops. I got my water and stuff though, so I guess I'm, kind of prepared. Hello, how are you all? I'm good. I hope that everybody else is good. It sounds like a lot of people are up really late or really early, depending on what how you look at it. Sing on stream. I might do that someday. Is this done already? How? This is a little concerning. openSUSE took like 15 minutes to install. I mean, it was on stream, so you can look back and see how long it took. This was how long have we even been streaming? Like 5, 10 minutes, maybe? That's crazy. Huh. It's never too late to warm up. Funnily enough, even though 30 minutes notification, you watched the Solus 4 Plasma Delve. So, you know what's funny about that is when I planned this stream, I totally forgot I did that. Uh-oh, what is it booting into? Oh. Well. It's gonna be one of these, huh? Yeah, I forgot that I had done that Distro Delves episode. The hell? I told it to restart and it shut off. Was that it? Yeah, we're done. That's it. Just the install. It looks like the install died. So we're gonna try again. openSUSE just takes a long time, period. Okay. I don't know if it's showing up on stream, but it's just flashing. Holy smokes, how did it install so fast? Teal, you said that we were on for 3 minutes? and it installed in like a minute. Wow. Boot error. I don't know what that boot error. I took the USB thumb drive out, so maybe it tried to boot into that while I took it out or something. I don't know. Not sure. But anyways, I didn't. Oh, that's right. With Solus 4.1, they changed the compression. I remember reading that. I do remember that. Wow, that made an enormous difference if that's what it was. Wow, I'm not even able to finish what I was saying. And what I was saying was I warm up my voice so that it has a better um it's like an instrument, right? It has a better sonic qualities when it's warmed up. And I know that people appreciate that, so try to warm my voice up a little bit. I am a musician, IRL, so nothing professional, but I do maybe audio aficionado, maybe not as much as Teal, my friend Teal who's in chat, but yeah, I definitely have an ear for stuff. Anyway, so can it run Crisis? Probably. I mean, this is my workstation. What are we running? This theme looks nice. This dark. Oh, we gotta fix the mouse. Stat. Play for us. I was thinking about playing during the install, but the install went too fast. I had like I even made sure the guitars were tuned and everything. Like, okay, depending on how things go, I want to leave my options open, and it didn't happen. Shoot. Okay, so let's see what kind of updates we have. This isn't the standard KDE like layout. This is different. Oh, I was gonna check the version. Oh my goodness, it has KDE Plasma version 5.17. I bet the ISO hasn't been built. And besides, 5.19 came out just a couple days ago, so it's unlikely that they would have updated it that fast anyways. I don't remember any of this from the distro devs episode. I don't remember this at all. I do so much stuff, and there's been so many. What episode was that? Was that like episode 2 or 3 of season 1? You can't remember that far back. Kidding me? Yeah, a minute. It is. People are saying it is the compression. Damn, I'm really happy we did this on stream because there's no way that you could have like, you can see it, but we really felt it. Like it was on stream, but also it's like we're trying to have a conversation and then suddenly in the background it's done. So it's more than just like seeing it happen. It just like it interrupted a conversation because it was so fast. Oh, Jeremy, you're asking about Linux musicians. We should bring Rice in here. Is Rice around? He's usually around for streams. I'll tell him what people are asking about music stuff. Maybe he's already here. He does Rice produces and mixes music with Ardor, and he's a big fan of Ardor and Jack and stuff. So he's in a much better position. What I record with is Audacity, and I hate it. I hate my audio editor. I hate my video editor. I hate it all. But the thing is, I know it. Like it's one of those like just the devil situations. And even though I hate it, I know its bugs and I know its limitations, so I just live with it. I was actually in the process of writing a thing about it on Patreon actually, where I still use the KDE Neon video had some audio glitching and I'm not very happy about it, but that's because I didn't toggle the audio on the video files, and the version of KDE I'm using, if you don't mute the audio on the video files, it will clip on transitions, and you can't hear it when you're editing. You can only hear it when it's rendered and produced. So I spend 30 minutes rendering it and get it all up there, and write the Patreon post and everything and listen back, and I'm like, son of a bitch, like that was a big waste of time. Well, there's Rice right there. It's like he knew that people were talking music. But yeah, the tools that I use, I don't like them, but I use them because they're what I know. And I've tried using other stuff. Like I used, this is a little too much black. I remember mentioning this in the Distro Delves episode. This is a little too dark. It's not terrible, but it's like this feels dated. This winds up looking washed out, especially when you go from Solus Dark, which is just really dark. I don't know. Hate is the best love you can give software. Yeah, I think I might agree with that. Like I went on a bit of a diatribe at the end, a tangential thing at the end of the KDE Neon episode about the the weird relationship that people have with their favorite software, and I kind of channel the the hate that I've gotten around the MX Linux episode, where I didn't say MX was bad. I just said I wasn't super impressed with it, maybe a little underwhelmed, but I never said it was bad. And people take that like it's been posted on MX forums and stuff, and people take that, or they don't even watch the video and they just assume that I don't like it without getting to the end, which is probably more likely. And they're like, you have a bias and you're this and you're that. And like you should be, this is open source software. You should be looking for issues and things that are wrong with the tools that you like and submitting bugs. And like it's just weird, I don't know. It's like I guess that people have this natural desire to want to have the best things, like I chose this because it is the best and I don't want to admit there's anything wrong with it, but I think that that's bad in the end. Oh, this isn't good. This is probably because we're updating a bunch of Qt and KDE libs and it screwed something up. So let's get out of that. Hey, so right now you have an AMD 86K. Oh, an AMD A series? Oh man. Yeah, that A series processor is really holding anything you do back. It's not good. The A series is like really super limited. And I bet Teal would agree too that you should just toss that and get a Ryzen if you can. LMMS, isn't that Linux multimedia something? Tiesta is the guy that made Plata and he hates KDE? Where did that come from? Did I miss something? By the way, I use FlatHub for pretty much all of my application searching needs. And even if I don't use the flat pack, like flat packs, this has like any application that's worth its weight is going to be on FlatHub at this point. So whether you want to use a flat pack or you want to use a snap or whatever, if you're just wondering like, hey, what kind of games are out there right now, you can go up to FlatHub. I mean, look at this. Aqueducts is here. And there's Dragon's Apprentice. It's by the same people. Dragon Crawlstone Soup, Eternal Lands. Just there's everything. Look how long this is. Like this is too long. I haven't even seen this one. Yakbit. Like where did this come from? And it looks awesome too. But how would you find this any other way? Like the software centers? Software centers suck. GNOME software is no good. KDE Discover is like not great. And this web interface is better. Like I know that people like to dump on Electron and HTML stuff, but it's like here's the thing. This is just a basic table all the way down. Or is this a table? Is this more like a list? Either way, this page right here is better and faster and more responsive than GNOME software, than Discover. Like it's just it's the web. Currently working on an ambient EDM album. Rice. Hello, new folks. Make the website an Electron app, and then people get pissed off about it. So people are like, "Ah, Electron." Actually, does Firefox have a task manager? I know that Chrome does. Does this have Chromium maybe? No. Add-ons, preferences. I wonder if page source. No. I mean, if anywhere, I guess it might be in the development tools, but I'm just not seeing it. Oh, task manager. Look at that. Did you guys know that web browsers have task managers built in? How cool is that? Firefox and Chrome should have built-in options to make them apps. I mean, yeah, that's true. That's an Electron app in a nutshell. Finally, in Plasma 5.20, icons only task manager will be the default. Control escape? No, that's the system task manager. That's different. I was interested in what Firefox was reporting because this is like the memory usage for the entire process. But the FlatHub website right now is, according to Firefox, is only consuming 20 megabytes of memory. So the rest of all of this stuff is just Firefox being Firefox. But the web page itself is apparently 20 megabytes. I might be reading that completely wrong, but I like the way it sounds, so I'm going to go with it. Yeah, computers are friends for sure. Oh yeah, I was going to make a joke on stream, and I'm on stream right now, so I guess I'll make the joke right now. That this stream, with all of you 60 something people, this is my social interaction for the whole week. I've joked about this. Where did I joke about? I've made this joke before, and I elaborated on it a bit. I think it was on stream at some point. I think I was playing a game or something, but when I'm like doing a video or on stream or something like that, I'm really flexing to be, or at least act like, an extrovert, but I'm really an introvert and I don't really like social interaction all that much. But the streams like this are cool because I'm literally setting the time and setting the day so I can become mentally prepared to interact with all of you hooligans. And it's a good feeling. And I think back to when I was in school and you have to wake up, whether you want to or not, you have to wake up, get ready, go to school, and deal and mingle with all these people that you probably don't want to. And that kind of sucks. So I have to say that I feel very fortunate and blessed that I'm able to interact with people this way. What do I think of the PS5? It I don't really have much of an opinion. It's fine. Everything looks different. Everything looks like an alien. I guess it's cool. I like it better than the Xbox One, which looks like just a big like fridge. I have a little refrigerator and it looks very similar to what an Xbox One. Xbox, what is it? Xbox. I don't even know what it's called. It's not an Xbox One. What the hell is the next Xbox? I don't follow this stuff. I've just seen pictures of it. That's hilarious. I don't even know what it's called. Wow. Some of you agree with my sentiment about social interactions. Xbox Series X, yeah. It's like you're talking to a large class of 60 people. It's like I have 60 people behind me. I'm not facing them, which is weird. Like I'm looking at a mirror I don't know. I don't know how to it's weird. So, this is a fun little bug. We already found a bug. So that's unfortunate, but it is what it is, I suppose. You can pick between the mini fridge and an oversized Wi-Fi router. Yeah. Hello. How's everybody doing? All these new people that have dropped in. Okay, what do we do from here? What would I do? What would Egee do? If Egee had just installed this, what would he do? Not even sure. I was kind of thinking about vanilla-ish KDE distros, and that's where I got the idea of doing good old Solus here. Solus is pretty vanilla. There's not really they haven't done much to KDE like Chaos, KAOS or whatever. They really went ham on the whole thing, but Solus is pretty vanilla. Don't remind you that your teacher's waiting for me. Ugh. Try out wine and sim games. I was thinking about it, but I don't know. Maybe I should plug in my other monitor and make sure that all works. Run some benchmarks? I guess I could. Oh, actually, speaking of benchmarks, I've got a program. You call apps programs? What is happening here? Why isn't it able to find this? This isn't good. Oh, there we go. I guess I had to call it out. I had to publicly shame it for it to finish. Like, why are you taking so long? There we go. I need the software center to work though. Is this plugged into FlatHub? I don't remember. Oh no, we're missing an icon. What? Oh no, you want me to sing? What have I done? Actually, I won't sing, but I have something else I could show you guys. What are your thoughts on Star Labs shipping elementary? I thought that they already did, but I mean, it's great. I certainly don't have any negative opinions of it. It's wonderful. And you know why it's wonderful? Because it gives people choice, and choice gives people opportunities, and opportunities are good. So it has less to do with my feelings or opinions on Linux. It has more to do with giving the consumer more options in the marketplace rather than going to a store and you have two options, overpriced Macs or Windows. And there's 500 different laptops with different biggest thing I have with Windows is that each vendor is able to customize it in their own way. It's always in a way that is grossly anti-consumer, like anti-user. Like they pre-install stuff and you can't uninstall it without formatting and stuff. And I'm getting way off track. I forgot what I wanted to do. I wanted to check on FlatHub. Okay, now I'm back on track. Okay, I remember what I was gonna do. I don't think this is plugged into FlatHub though. I wonder if Flatpak is installed. Cool. Everything is installed. Let's do then I don't remember what the name of the app was. Really cool though. I'm from the northwest portion of the United States, right underneath British Columbia, Canada. The large ambiguous geographical location that is the Pacific Northwest. Yes, TL, the benchmark app. Uninstall Snap right now? How about instead of installing Snap, I'll do something else with it. Hey, what's this little tab icon? I like that. That's cool. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah. Jeez. You'd think that I would take notes and keep track of what I need to do, but that would be way less fun. I am flying by the seat of my pants. This is it. GTK stress testing. Do any of you know about this app? I discovered this recently. That sucks. That's a shame. It wants to open it in Kate. That's unacceptable. It's not going to be caps at all. Well, sure. We'll just do it that way. Ah! FlatHub is not installed by default. Do you install a repo? Does that even make sense? Ooh. What is this business? We're copying commands from a website. Sure. Wait a second. Is it install? Whoa, my mouse just freaked out. Is it installing GNOME software? It better not be. No, I don't think it is. You will need to reboot after that? Huh. There are a bunch of killer apps on FlatHub? There are. Have I heard of Core Control? I have not. I've not heard of that one. Should I have? Is that something I should look into? Yes? Maybe next week then? Oh, is that the Manjaro thing? There we go. This will probably take a little. You'll need to reboot after that, just like Silverblue. What did I say? Everybody's saying yes. There's like 3 yeses in a row. What did I say? I don't remember what I said. Did I say that? Was it about installing it as installing a repo or something? YouTube's delay throws me off. Core control is how you do overclocking? I hope not. I do my overclocking from the BIOS. Yes to the yes. Can I get at least one ye in chat, please? Silverblue user, you rebooted your computer about 651 times. Or openSUSE transactional. Ye. There we go. Excellent. It allows you to control your computer's hardware using application profiles. GPU overclocking. Ooh, I like that. Ye to the yeet. I like where you guys are going with this. Okay, so let me try a little something. Now, I like to use the Snap version of Audacity because the way that it's confined makes it easier for me as somebody that's dumb to configure my audio. They changed this with KDE 5.19 and I don't like it. I know that this whole default device thing is really janky, but I've become accustomed to it. So I don't like that they changed that. Okay, so that is my studio mic that it's picking up. So you guys wanted some music, and I'm going to see if I can do this. Possibly. I might just decide against it altogether and decide it's a bad plan. Because I won't be able to hear it. That's the problem. I won't be able to hear the output. Anyway, the radio buttons control. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I don't really like it. What's the purpose of Solus? I don't know. Audacity theming. Yeah, the default theme is messed up. I'll show you how I do it though. I don't use the default theme. I think it's really stupid looking. So I just change it to, hey, oh, that's the manual. I changed it to dark, and the dark theme looks fine. Is app image better than Snap? No format is better than any other format. It just depends on what you need. There's no like app image is better than Snap is better than Flatpak. Like it doesn't. They have overlapping use cases, but they don't. I would argue that they don't replace one another. And I know that the developers and maintainers would disagree, but I'm a user and I choose to use them the way that I want, which is probably not how the maintainers want you to use them. But speaking of snaps, I maintain a snap. I'm going to install it from the Snap store. What's the meaning of life? I'm not sure. Thanks, Solus Plasma. You're happy. Now I want to install. Wait, did we already install it? The stress test app, or did we? Yes, there it is. Check this thing out. This is awesome. Solus should kind of be more like Ubuntu with quality tech and a very stable rolling release. Man, at least I still have people interested enough to be trolls. There we go. We need to get some Cavantum. Yeah, the default theme. Somebody pointed out that Audacity's theme was messed up. Well, this theme is messed up too, so. Oh, no, it wasn't you. Somebody that has been in chat before trolling decided to come back in. Audacity is 20 years old. Yeah, Audacity is old. So somebody asked for a benchmark, and that's what reminded me of this. Oh, no, not a stress test. Where's the benchmark? Stress tests. Where did the benchmark go? What am I missing? Is it in front of me and I'm just not seeing it? Oh, there it is. Benchmark. All right, here we go. We need Egee memes. I agree, we do. We totally do. I need more artwork. That's what I need. I need more commissions. I need a logo for distro delves. Like I need a stream. Like when I'm streaming, I need somebody to make something like maybe Egee sitting at a laptop or something. Like I don't know, but I need something. Okay, so let's see here. Watch, this guitar has gone out of tune again. It's been a real pain lately. So this is going to sound really weird at first. Well, it'll sound weird, period, because I'm playing. But you guys are going to hear it through the headset, and it's going to sound totally different. Does the format of the app install affect performance? The short answer is no. The longer answer is I don't know. So I don't know. I am not sure. Yeah, my problem is that I need to do it. It's not like a money thing. I just need to do it. Developer makes Egee installer for Arch. I don't know what that means. Okay, so the benchmark is done. Here, I don't know if the folks that were asking about music are still in. I don't like to record on. Well, I can't record on stereo because of the way that I have my mixer set up. Let me fix that. Where is it? It's under devices. Well, I guess it is. Yeah, I guess it is a device thing. Weird because I'm doing it mood. Yeah, I mean that's my mood all the time. It's a set the expectations sort of thing. So that's what it looks like. If you're ever interested in what it looks like to record something through a mixer into Audacity, that's how you do it. So I've got some crappy stuff on. Developers make Egee installer for Arch. The Egee, it's a basic installer. Okay. No, I got it. I don't know the context. I mean, did I miss something where we were talking about Arch installers, or I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Now, the problem that I have here is I don't know how to play it back. I think I can play it back for you guys, but I won't be able to control, like if I can't hear the audio levels, it's going to be really weird. And I don't Hi, can you still hear me? Sorry about that. I accidentally turned the input gain down. Okay. So some of the stuff I've recorded. Turn the gain up a little bit maybe. I trying to come up with like a chop on the fly is a lot more difficult than it sounds. But I can do like some really quick multi-track recording, I guess. Like so that's that part. So people, I guess, normally would do this with Audacity, not Audacity. They would do it with Ardor or something like that. But because I'm a low-tech caveman in a lot of ways, I just do it like this. And not being able to hear it back is different. So then we add a new mono track. And then we can do like maybe a little bit on the right, a little bit on the left, and then move these out of phase just a little bit. So now it sounds like there's a bunch of stuff going on. Yeah. What's going on? Whoa. Why don't you make some music like this in channel intro? I don't know how. Like I don't know how I would do that. I don't really think rock music is. I don't really think that would go with the show. I don't know where I would put it. Like it certainly wouldn't be an intro thing. The show doesn't really have an intro. It just dives in, and that is the intro. I'm better than you expected. I'm happy to surprise you, maybe. Okay, that's enough. That's enough goofing around. Do we have NVIDIA installed? We don't. I don't remember how to install NVIDIA stuff on here. Okay, easy enough. NVIDIA beta is 440.82. I didn't know that was the beta driver. Oh no, they're all okay. It doesn't matter. They're the same. So we'll get this ball rolling. This dark theme is really like wearing me down. I don't like it. Just make some chill ambient ambient stuff, synthy ambient stuff in the background. I don't know how to do that. Oh, there's a driver menu. Yeah, that's right. Well, too late now. Remember to take the 32-bit libs. Hold up. Are you guys saying there's some sort of driver manager? I'm confused. So to confirm, there is a driver manager, right? Guys, is openSUSE tumbleweed on 5.19? I don't know. Oh boy. Uh, hmm. Installs NVIDIA directly. Are we at the destroy part already? This isn't good. So you guys can't see the other monitor, but there's nothing over there. Yeah, this might be it, ladies and gentlemen. I think we just hosed it. I can't see the installer on the other monitor, so I don't know when it's if like. Oh, wait a second. What's this business? That's on the wrong monitor. And now it's gone. Oh hell. Whoa, there's a fan spinning up. Is that the laptop doing that? Random. Can you restart KWin? Didn't really do anything. I guess I just turned off compositing. Isn't quite the same thing. Okay, this is a little bit better. Now it's mirrored, but I guess that'll do. Oh no. Now I've done it. Should I just uninstall them and reinstall them, you think? Or should I just try to keep doing it piecemeal? What have I done? Whoops. Oh, that icon takes you to the developer's home? Okay. Think we should just reinstall? Reinstall Solus. It takes 1 minute. You're not wrong. You are not wrong about that. All right, now let's get us some Steam. Let's get us some Lutris. It's already something. Whoa, 214 packages. Wow. Just nuke it. That isn't a reason to install the whole thing. Egee, as a pro anime developer, would you say that every distro gives an even ground? I don't know what that means. I don't know what that expression means. Every distro gives an even ground. I don't know what that means. As a pro anime developer, you are a man of elite culture. I find this acceptable. Oh, Meta P? Yes. Switch to external stream. This is 10 to the right. Is that what I want? Oh, that is not what I wanted. How about that? Okay, this is not exact. Oh, the other monitor went out again. There's just no winning. I will accept defeat. I'm okay with this. X11 was in chat. Nobody told me. And now they're gone. How most Linux distros don't have a restore partition by default. Pop! OS does, and I've used it before. What kernel is Solus using? Wow, my mouse is going nuts. You got to take off. See ya. As a Solus user, you would have never downloaded NVIDIA's. Oh, whoops. By X11, by Gurav. As in, does it really matter what distro you're using? Yes, it depends on what you want to use it for. And it depends on a lot of things. The short answer is yes. The long answer is no. Oh yes, thank you everybody. Thank you. I am very easily distracted for some reason. I don't know why. Trying to maintain focus on the distro and read chat and parse what people are saying it's too much for me today. I'm having a hard time. I'm glad that you guys have my back. Great, Saeed. Hello, how are you? Oh, to install NVIDIA, it's sudo remove RF, is that right? Like this? Sudo remove, like that, maybe? Like, is it something like that? Is that what you're saying I should do? Can we poke with Cavantum? Does this have Cavantum installed? It does not. Yeah, we can try messing with Cavantum. What is happening here? Oh, that just lined up really weirdly well. Hey! Cool. Let's dive in. You like the stream? Egee's crashed? parse what people say. Sometimes it's easier to use developer centric words to describe everyday things. Poke with Covantum and rice it with one of those blurry desktops. Okay, I could try. Doesn't Baby Wogue use Amazon AWS Poly? Maybe that's what I am. Maybe I'm just a really well-written Poly. I don't know how those work. I don't know if it's scripts or what, but maybe I'm one of those, and I'm just really good at responding to stuff. There we go. RMRF the whole system and just reinstall Solus. Nice. 5.17 has issues with the NVIDIA drivers. That's unfortunate. Uh-oh. Well, maybe we are back to reinstalling, folks. What is going on? It's on my other monitor, but it's black. It's like my other monitor died. What is going on here? Is the cable bad, I wonder? This cable is kind of sketchy. I wonder if maybe it died. Because this is very strange. Did it like that? No, it's still black. Wow. Well, that's... This is a live stream, ladies and gentlemen. If you ever want a live stream, prepare for BS like this to happen. What the hell is going on here? I guess I'll restart. Wow. Oh, there we go. I think it's coming back. Okay, I think we're back. Hosed. Yes. I don't disagree. It was hosed up there for just a minute. Oh no. I think installing the NVIDIA drivers from the software centers was like a really bad move. You know what? I think we're just gonna reinstall. I think I jacked it up beyond repair, and I don't want to blame Solus for this. We're just gonna reinstall. Oh man, I don't know how many people. Oh, wait a second. Hold up. Why do I have two different driver versions? Kernel versions. Remove the drivers, install the open source ones. Hey, there we go. I see what's wrong. This is my fault. I screwed up. We're not reinstalling yet. Are there any Solus people in chat? Could you please laugh and heckle me for doing things wrongly? We can count how many seconds it takes for reinstall. This is not, nor has ever been, nor will ever be, an instructional video of any kind. And it seems from the comments, people look at DistroDelves episodes and kind of take them for like tutorials or something, and that is definitely not what they are supposed to be. Much like this stream is not meant to teach you anything. If you do learn something, such as the stupid things that I do from time to time, that's great. But that is my goal for this is not to teach anybody anything. We're just here having a good time. Oh man. Okay, you know what? I think yeah, we are gonna reinstall. Yeah. Let's go ahead and reinstall. It would probably be faster to reinstall this thing than it would be to troubleshoot what the hell is wrong with it. So distro delves, what not to do in your machine. Shit happens. Now is it going to recover now that I put the USB in? It's like I'm threatening it. Every time I put the USB drive in, it's like, oh, okay, oh, fine, okay, I don't want you to, don't reinstall, I'll take you to the desktop. That is exactly what happened. It didn't boot, I put the USB in, and now it's like, okay, okay, I was just goofing around. Yeah, let's get back on track here. There. DD stands for don't distro hop. Why do we keep trying to reboot? It'd be faster just to reinstall. This is the reinstall arc, showing us what not to do. I don't disagree. If you want to troubleshoot, it could be a nice challenge. Yeah, my method of troubleshooting is just spamming buttons until something happens. And it's gotten me this far. Let's see if we make it past this. Okay, the lights on my keyboard are flashing. It's usually a good sign. Hey! Okay. The USB stick is still in, so maybe it still thinks I'm threatening it. I'll just leave that there. What? I think it locked up. What the hell? What is this? You would think that I'm doing this on purpose to make the stream funny, but I am legit not. I don't know what is going on here. Oh! Reinstall. Is this an AMD CPU? Yeah. It's an FX dinosaur. Okay. We're good. Can I get a round of applause for making it back to the desktop? Maybe it'll encourage the computer to stop screwing around. So now we're gonna play around with Cavantum. Is this not the ugliest thing that you've ever seen? This is bad. How is this cute, but it uses the most bizarre, like, I don't even know. Thank you, thank you. I challenge you to unplug the USB. I'm gonna do it. I'll show you, in fact. Look, Solus Live Plasma. Watch. Oh, it's gone. Oh, it locked up. It's done. I unplugged the USB and it locked up on me. Nah, I'm just kidding. It didn't actually lock up. Come on, computers don't work that way. Or they're not supposed to. All right, so how do I use Cavantum? Could somebody tell me how to use Cavantum? Because I don't know. I've never done any of this before. You guys like that, huh? You better watch out. I might do something like that again. If only YouTube did highlights, that would make a good highlight. You need themes first. How to use Cavantum? You don't. Okay. Change delete theme. Okay. Cavantum default? Oh, here we go. Well, hey, this is easy. Let's use it. Oh, it's not it's not bad actually. Wow. Okay, so the default theme is just butt ugly, but the other ones aren't so bad. Okay. Now what? It's too bright for your eyes? Your feelings are hurt? I'm sorry. I'm sorry about that. I would do it again, but I'm sorry that your feelings got hurt. KV Gnome? Ooh. This looks more like Bootstrap than it does Gnome. Yaru? Sounds like an anime name. Yaru. There's gotta be a character in an anime named Yaru. Go to KDE subreddit, pick one of the announcements, and the instructions can be had in there. Pick a theme in Plasma settings. Now poke around. You have to go to the theme settings. Sounds like I have to go to the theme settings. Just choose KV Mojave. 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 I don't know what the hell I'm trying to say. Okay. What happened to QT curve? Just choose KV Mojave. Okay. I already read that. Style. No. Window decorations. Is this where I was supposed to go? I'm getting the feeling. Oh, here we go. So I choose Cavantum. Oh my god. Look at this switch. Oh man, that's rough. Am I missing something here? Do you really have to change all of this by hand? 30 people. This feels convoluted. It does. Yeah, and I'm getting mixed instructions. Some people are saying go to the settings manager, some people are saying go to the settings manager. I don't really know where I'm supposed to go. I'll just wander around and kind of click. That's my style, is just like click around on the desktop until something good happens. Oh man, some of these are bad. This is flat? Okay. It's fine, I guess. It's not what I would call flat, but oh. Eh. Why isn't this updating? This is all screwed up. I don't this is I don't like where this is. I don't like where this is taking us. This is weird. Now Dolphin is all jacked up and I don't we're getting out of here. We're going home. Get back in the car, folks. We're going home. See, this isn't so bad. It's just the colors are too dark. No, that's all you need to change in system settings to have Cavantum? Really? Okay, I'll give it one more try, and if this doesn't work, we're turning this car around, we're going home. So just Cavantum and hit apply. And now close it out. Download and install themes from application style. Done, it's already done. I saw that you have the Quogre skin. Do. There's a theme on the internet for it? Really? Under system settings colors. Oh, there was a Cavantum in there. Do I have to, does it figure out which one I'm going to use, or I don't understand. This is like magic. Okay, so if I, man, the colors look terrible. So if I close this and change it to say ambiance and I open this, what will it do? Oh, okay. Hey, all right. I like this. I like where this is going. Okay, there we go. This feels better. This feels, oh, I don't know how I feel about this. Oh my God. So so tell me why I would use this over the built-in theming engine. Okay, I mean it's fine, but why would I use this? I don't think you need to close Dolphin. This seems unnecessary. Yeah, this is weird. I don't know how I feel about this. Oh, look at the what? Come on, this isn't okay. No, I'm getting out of here. I don't like this. It's too complicated. It's upsetting me. I used this one in the KDE Neon video. This looks cool, kind of, a little bit. Here we go. That's what I want. Nice, nice text. Okay. People use Kvantum for their KDE themes for some reason. I don't know. Unnecessarily complicated is what KDE is all about. Kvantum XVG based theming. Is that better than the default then? I take it? What are we doing here? Wow, this is smooth. Man, is smooth for you guys? Is it like does this look smooth or does this just look weird? Could we play? No, we couldn't play Overwatch because it would have to recompile all the shaders and it would get all stupid. Wouldn't work. When you try to shift things around, it gets messy. It's super smooth, smooth as butter. Yeah, is that like? Look at that. Like the frame rate is about as high as it could possibly be. It just looks really good. And this is running on NVIDIA, just base default settings. Ah, so Kvantum, when set up right, you can have GTK and Qt apps look the same. That's what it's about. Okay. Kvantum is easier for theme devs. So basically, they target one engine for GTK and Qt, and it just works rather than like this is a Qt theme, this is a GTK theme. I could see that, but it still feels complicated to set up. If it was easier, then I could see it being just like a killer feature. But this was like weirdly complicated to set up. Oh man. Now everything is screwed up. Oh man. The transparency fade's awesome. Easier for devs, but more complicated, yeah. Kvantum enables some extra compositing effects. That's pretty cool. Kvantum doesn't have a GTK counterpart. In KDE settings, change the look back to Breeze. I thought that it would do that when I set the global theme, but apparently not. Lied to me. See, I set it here, and apparently it didn't. No, it set it there too. Yeah, it's still set here though. Dark circles? No. Just dark. For some reason, this looks like really like washed out. I don't know. Now it's busted here. Now it's straight. Huh. I don't know. Maybe I'm being too picky. Here we go. Something feels off. I can't put my finger on it, but something just feels off about this. It's like things are too small or they're not as crisp as they should be. I don't know. Hey Diogo. Is that how you say it? Kuogo? Quoger? I'm not sure. You guys are heading out. It was good having you guys. Title bar name. It's that Quoger thing that I'm unable to pronounce. I do not like these icons though. There we go. Something feels off. Me on KDE every single time. Normally it's okay, but it's just something feels different, and I don't know how to describe it. How do I increase the size of those buttons? There we go. Does that make it look better? Yeah, a little bit. That's fine. That makes the overall thing look better. Larger, I guess. No, you can't. Well, I did. You had similar issues with window border themes too. It's okay, the theming is just messed up. Alright, so what do we have here? There's Steam. This is okay. I am okay with this. I'll be honest with you. I think that I might actually try and rock this. Like at the end of the KDE, at the end of the openSUSE Tumbleweed KDE stream, what blockers did we find? NVENC, that was one of the major ones. So let's get OBS going. Oh, this is still busted. Oh, is this GTK? Bet it is. Where's the GTK themes? Is it under application style? Oh, there it is, down here. Ah. Probably won't update it right away. Wow, that looks terrible. No, it doesn't want to. Look at this. Does this bother you guys having two different themes like this? But didn't you just switch the window decoration? I switched application style, I thought. Oh, that's what it thinks Breeze Dark looks like? Oops. Oh, man. Well, I'm just going to leave it. I'll fix this later. Probably have to log out and log back in. Which KDE is this? This is the old one. They haven't updated yet. It's 5.18. In Cavantum, you can change this theme to KV Arc. Wow. Thank you, Matthews Lego Den. That is excellent. I'm going to do that now. Oops. Cool. Transparent dolphin view. That is pretty cool. What's application? Oh, for specific applications. That is not a rabbit hole I want to go down. Solus's KDE implementation is one of the better ones. Yeah, I like it. I like it so far. There are some things that I can forgive, as it were, and try to move past. NVENC, okay. We're off to a good start. Hey! We got NVENC. That was a blocker. Solus and Pop are really nice. Yeah, no, people don't, like, nobody really has bad things to say about Solus, except for maybe, like, it's just the velocity is decreased a lot. And, oh, look at that. This isn't, this is better, basically. Not the greatest in the world, but it's certainly better. I think they're getting rid of this third-party section, replacing it with, like, snaps and stuff. I don't think you can search for snaps here, though. No. So their software, if I'm not mistaken, the software center is written in Python 2. We get a tree view. Software? Oh, it's a fork of Plasma Shell. I'm fairly certain this is Python 2. So if somebody wanted to help out Solus, they could rewrite it in Python 3, submit a PR. Not like that would work, but I mean, it might, but uh, let's look at, oh, what's this? How do you guys feel about Python 2? What's the general consensus of Python 2? Can you give me a yee or a nah? You've got a couple different options. What's gatekeeping? What's going on the Solus? I interact with the Solus community a lot. Velocity hasn't really decreased. They just don't announce process. Oh, okay, that's fine. Yeah, their dev tracker is really good. Oh boy. I get the feeling you guys don't really like it. It's not gatekeeping. If you want Arch gatekeeping by not having an Arch. Yeah. Golang is better than Python. Yeah, I probably agree with that. It depends on what you're doing, but yeah. Python's better than Go. Again, it depends on what you're doing. They're looking to replace EO PKG with Sol. I haven't heard that one. You could probably use Discover alongside the Software Center. Let me give it a try. I bet you can't. Discover would have to know what EO PKG is. Oh, it's not even in the repos, really? Am I blind? Dolphin. No, Discover's not even in the repos. Can the location bar in Dolphin become editable? Holy smokes, look how small this text is. What happened? Did I zoom out by accident? You mean here? You just click on it. I don't know. Go has terrible FFI overhead. Okay. All right. What else do I do here? I guess I should figure out what the hell is wrong with my other monitor. I might stick with this for the day though. Guess I could migrate stuff. Let me try fixing the display really quick. See what happens. I'm wondering if the cable went out on me. That would be nice. Okay. Hey. Okay, this is good. Meta P is what somebody said. Unify, extend to the left, extend to the right. Who's left? Not mine. If that was, oops, I hit Meta L. If that was my left, it would have gone the other way. Is that better? There we go. Yay. Cool, both monitors work. Now, who's the primary? You're the primary. Okay, so I just need to clone that. Cool, well that worked. Okay, now the last thing I'm going to do is plug my other drives in. And I'll do that with all of you on stream so you can see if it just completely explodes. You think you can install Discover through the terminal? Okay. Come over here. Plug these drives back in. Try not to break everything. I don't know if there were any of you around for the last stream at the end where I tried to plug all the drives back in. It didn't go quite as planned. Oh boy, what is going on here? Is Arch suitable for a complete newbie if he or she wants to learn about Linux? I mean, it depends on what it depends. I mean, if you want to learn everything there is to know right away, sure. I wouldn't suggest it, but yeah, you could. Okay. Do we have our other drives? Would you look at that? Yay. Okay. I think I'm going to stick around with Solus for a little while. Just to kind of see, ooh, wow, this is terribly ugly. Look at that. That's the audio icon from Windows 95. What is that doing in here? So I think that my takeaway from this is that it has weird theming issues. Like even before we started screwing around with the themes, there were icons that were broken and stuff. But I don't know. I think it has potential, and I think I'm going to stick with it. But that is going to wrap up the stream. So let me end on this, because people always ask, what version is it? It is KDE Plasma version 5.18.5. And that's it. Does anybody use Solus? I'm about to. How is in-game FPS compared to other distros? Not sure. I think it's missing. Oh, that could be Flavio. I'll look into that and see if. But I mean that goes back to the main issue, is that there seems to be theming issue. There's a Kvantum issue. I'll figure it out, and maybe I'll post a screenshot of my desktop once I have it all riced out on the YouTube community thing. But that's it. That's gonna wrap this one up. Thanks for sticking around, folks. This wound up being right on par with the last one, about an hour and 15 minutes. So thank you. It's been a lot of fun, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. See you later.